It is midnight.
Oh.
The view of the night. Now let's move to the ice cream. Guys. We have finished.
Bring me ice cream.
Once again. Guys, we have got the ice cream.
1 minute. What about the spoons?
Okay, I'll go. You stay here.
If you die, so don't return.
Open the packets.
Okay.
I'll go. Okay. I'll go.
She's good.
Good one.
What?
What about me? It was dark. I couldn't find another spoon.
So don't eat this vanilla.
Let's open it. Oh. Tasty. Guys, comment down below who loves to eat ice cream at midnight. Shh, like us. Phew. Now you. See, vanilla ice cream. We got it.
Oh, I love to eat ice cream at midnight.
We enjoyed a lot, and I hope you also enjoyed a lot coming with us. See you next time. Bye. Keep it a secret. अस्सलामुअलैकुम, गुड मॉर्निंग। कैसे हैं आप सब?
आशा करती हूँ आप सब अच्छे होंगे।
अभी मैं टिफ़िन रेडी कर रही हूँ। 2 महीने के बाद आज स्कूल का फर्स्ट डे है। आज मैं पराठा और एग भुजी दे रही हूँ। अभी वो दोनों शावर ले रही है। आप सबको तो पता है दोनों बच्चों को रेडी करना कितना मुश्किल है। टिफ़िन रेडी हो गया।
Wondering how to make a play all night. Looking your way from out of sight. Thinking I should ask if you're doing alright. You weren't easy, so hard to ignore. Pull up on your right, ask what you're drinking, ask what you like. Such a look good in the dim bar light. So damn cheesy. Who'd have thought you'd fall for somebody like me? When you asked my name, I panicked. So out of my league. And your body was so magnetic. Before I knew it, we talked and I think about you a cocktail. You told me that you've been waiting for somebody like me. Somebody like me.
Assalamualaikum. Hello guys. Today is like not our first day, but yeah, our first day after summer vacation. We are going to school, so that is why we are ready in our school uniform. Today I have PE. That's why I'm wearing my PE uniform and
normal dress.
yeah, because she's not having PE. So today she's wearing her normal dress. Today you can stay with us. We are gonna go to the school. I mean, we can only take a video until our bus arrives because we cannot take a video inside our school. So we'll just take a video until our bus arrives. Then when we will come back from home, we'll take again. So see you. And see this, guys, I'm meeting my friends and teachers after a lot of time. That's why I requested my mom to make me some rasgulle and I want to give it to them. This is the rasgulle I'm taking for them. We don't like to eat much in the morning. That's why our mom just made us hot chocolate. And I like to drink hot chocolate. We're just gonna drink this and then go to school, go to bus because it's almost time for our bus arrive. So I'll see you downstairs. That is our bus, guys. It is coming. We're gonna go, so bye bye for now. We're gonna meet you after school.
Wondering how to make a play all night. Looking your way from out of sight. Thinking I should ask if you're doing alright. You weren't easy, so hard to ignore. Pull up on your right. Ask what you're drinking, ask what you like. Said you look good in the dim bar light. So damn cheesy. Who'd have thought you'd fall for somebody like me? When you asked my name, I panicked. So out of my league. And your body was so magnetic. Before I knew it, we talked and I think about you. A cocktail, you told me that you've been
दोनों चली गई स्कूल। अभी मैं घर का काम फिनिश कर रही हूँ। 2 महीने बाद स्कूल शुरू हो गया, फिर से पुराना वाला रूटीन स्टार्ट हो गया।
wondering how to make a play all night. Looking your way from out of sight. Thinking I should ask if you're doing alright. You weren't easy, so hard to ignore. Pull up on your right. Ask what you're drinking, ask what you like. Said you look good in the dim bar light. So damn cheesy. Who'd have thought you would fall
मैं रोज़ सुबह ये चिया सीड्स ड्रिंक लेती हूँ।
West my name, I panicked. So out of my league. And your body was so magnetic. Before I knew it, we talked and I think about you.
घर का काम फिनिश हो गया, अब मैं लंच रेडी कर रही हूँ। सिंपल फिश करी वेजिटेबल के साथ। तो ठीक है, मिलते हैं बाद में।
Wondering how to make a play all night. Looking your way from out of sight. Thinking I should ask if you're doing alright. You weren't easy, so hard to ignore. Pull up on your right. Ask what you're drinking, ask what you like. Said you look good in the dim bar light. So damn cheesy. Who'd have thought you'd fall for somebody like me? When you asked my name, I panicked. So out of my league. And your body was so magnetic. Before I knew it, we talked and I think about you. A cocktail, you told me that you've been waiting for somebody like me. Somebody like me. Somebody like me. Took you out and showed you the city. How'd you let somebody so pretty's what they said to me? Yeah, that's what they said to me. Well, they told me I didn't stand a chance, yeah. Face value, had you at a glance, yeah. But nobody ever asked if you could dance, yeah. Well, only one who did that was somebody like me. When you asked my name, I panicked, so out of my league. And your body was so magnetic. Before I knew it, we talked and I think about you. A cocktail, you told me that you've been waiting for somebody, somebody like me. You told me that you've been waiting for somebody
Fold it. And here are the steps. I already said it all. So I'm gonna follow this steps and I'll try to make it myself without my mom's help. Let's start. First I'm gonna tear this up. here you do this one. There it's written open, so I think I'll pull it. First the steps I'll read it out. Wait, it's like open the top lid partly, add there some sesame. Here is the date written, I cannot read that, that's why. But I think there must be something I have to mix it. Then it's like pour hot water and close the lid tightly, then gently stir and eat. It's simple, I can do it. Wait, do not open it whole, okay?
Okay.
I'm not supposed to
My
open
one
it.
is open.
Oops.
What?
Open the lid up to this line. Why did you open it all?
It's getting weird.
Yeah. Buzz. Who cares? Just open it.
I just saved it and you're saying who cares?
Yeah. We got our fork inside, but we're not gonna use it. We're gonna keep it aside. We're gonna use our chopsticks today. Yep, as I knew, the powder. This is. I don't know. It's not written. There is one more. There's two in this. One and two. This one is chili and this is bumbu sauce.
Who will
It's
take
written
chili?
bumbu sauce.
Who will take chili?
And the noodles, of course. There is no line actually. Oh yeah, I saw. See here. I think I have to fill the water till this much. Water level, yeah. Till this much I need to fill.
Where you can see.
I'll do it. So I'm having our hot water here. Let's pour it to that level.
We should pour this first, right?
And wait. Yes, we should. It's okay. I made a mistake. First I need to pour the masala, then the hot water. But okay, I'll put it right now.
Where do we put it?
Yeah, you put yours. Now, this one's like this, and let me put it inside. Sorry.
Oh, this one like this.
Cut this one and this one. Oh, it's like a powder.
You will take chili. I will take both.
Yeah, I took both. Oh, I wanna clean it later on. I think I'll mix it. I don't think this is getting mixed. Why don't you just keep it like this? This is the first time I'm ever making this cup noodles type of thingy.
This
I don't know.
looks fair.
I need to cover it, I think.
My hot water.
I've made cup noodles before, but this is the first time making myself. It,
My hot water.
wait, it looks easy, but it's not. I'll put the hot water for her. Yep. Now keep it. I'll leave it. Nothing is happening. Keep it like this. Yeah. Oh, I had to cover it. We need to keep it for 3 minutes, so we'll wait for 3 minutes then. So guys,
I'm starving.
Wait, it's over. I mean, I think it's made. It's not like 3 minutes. It's not after like 3 minutes. We had to keep it more because it was not done in 3 minutes. But anyways, it's done. I'll open it. Check this out. I'm gonna like. It. See. Oh, it's so hot. It's not yet like that much boiled. I think we should keep it more. But yeah, it is done. I tried to eat it. How's it?
It's very nice.
It's too hot. Come on. How have you been eating? I'm gonna take this much.
It's very yum.
It was written like chicken flavor. It is really chicken flavor. I mean, it tastes like chicken, the noodles. And the soup, I don't know.
This is chicken, you know? This one. The circle one. The chicken.
Oh yeah, there are tiny chicken bites. Wait, I'll show you. Check this out. Tiny chicken bites.
I don't know how I'm eating with this chopsticks.
It's too hot. It's so tasty. I mean, I've like tried cup noodles many times, and I think this is one of the best I've ever tried.
Yeah.
Usually I don't eat cup noodles because it doesn't taste good for me. This one does. I'm surprised by the taste. I'm like, really. I'm also surprised by how hot this is.
You cannot eat hot things.
It's so hot. I mean, we'll eat our finish this cup noodles. Sorry. And then we'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye. Ma salama.